Hi, welcome to Storytelling to Inspire Change. I'm Hock Chung, your speakers and trainer for this workshop. In all public speaking, your audience wants not only to hear you speak, but also be entertained. Your audience generally are bored and annoyed with long and uninspiring preaching of your lives. How then can you capture their attention, engage them emotionally, and inspire them to change? Yes, with storytelling. In this workshop, you will learn how to capture your audience attention with stories, move them in your speeches, and inspire them to take action. Your key takeaways are the fundamentals of good storytelling, a powerful storytelling structure, acronym CAR, CAR, the 4 C's of effective storytelling: condition, characters, catamount, and conflicts. Finally, to deliver an engaging and memorable personalized story. I am a veteran Toastmaster of over 35 years, and now a corporate trainer and coach in sales and marketing for top companies like SIA, SAP, IBM, Microsoft, Google, and Salesforce. I won numerous awards at the Toastmaster contest, as well as other national speech contests. Being a fluent bilingual speaker and trainer, I travel extensively across Asia Pacific and China to train and coach senior executives in business presentations and develop sales strategies. Due to the intensive practice in this workshop, I ask you to come prepared with a 2 to 3 minute personal story to share and practice. You will have the opportunity to practice your story in front of a group of teammates and be voted to go on stage to compete for the Best Storyteller Award at TMCS this same evening. This workshop is kept at maximum 100 participants, and we already have 80% of the seats taken up. There are only a few seats left. Hence, I ask you to register yourself for this workshop today. I guarantee you are going to have a fun and great evening of learning at TMCS, the best Toastmaster club in Singapore. See you all on Monday at the Sheraton Tower Hotel.